Have you ever felt rejected? Who among you here, you felt rejected? Taas mo yung kamay mo, okay? Have you ever felt declined sa grupo? You've been denied sa pag-apply ng US visa. You've been denied of access to a certain place. Or maybe you've been refused, nabasted ka. You've been disowned. Di ba yung parang ang dami nating rejection one way or the other. Pero this woman felt so much rejection all her life. The very first person in the planet, by the way, whom Jesus revealed himself as the Messiah, itong babae na to. Ang galing trivia yon. I mean, Jesus did not reveal himself as the Messiah sa kanyang mga disciple first. Hindi niya reveal yung sarili niya as the Messiah sa mga Pharisees and leaders, religious leaders during the time. No. The very first person in the planet whom Jesus revealed himself as the Messiah, the sinful woman. So Jesus told the woman, give me a drink. I mean, these are just 4 words, and it speaks so heavily about destroying any division that the Jew and the Samaritan had during the time. Ang mga Jew po kasi has nothing to do with the Samaritans. They hated Samaritans. But these 4 words of Jesus, give me a drink. The walls of division crumble down. You know what, sometimes it only takes few words to forgive. It only takes few words to express love, to express acceptance to people. Ito, I have some few words for you. Ito, 4 words. Kumusta ka na, friend? Minsan yan lang i-text mo sa kaibigan mo, magugulat ka. Maglilitan niya na ng mga issues sa buhay na kung grabe buti kinumista mo ko. Alam mo ba, si ganun, at may utang ako sa gito. Nagilang 4 na salita lang, 5,000 na yung sinabi mo. Di ba? O minsan, nag-away kayo mag-asawa. Pag uwi, alam mo yung tinitiis mo, hindi kayo nag-text maghapon, galit ka magdamag. Ito lang, kumain ka na ba? Mga mister, kung sa gitna ng away nyo, tinanong ka, kumain ka na ba? Huwag mong kainin, baka may bubog. Joke lang. And then, tuloy natin ko ito, verse 9. The Samaritan woman said to him, how is it that you, a Jew, asking for a drink from me, a woman of Samaria? And then, just in case tayo mga modern day hearer, hindi natin alam yung mga ano na to. Sabi, for Jews have nothing to do with the Samaritans. They have no dealings with the Samaritans. So para sa ating mga modern day hearer, ano po ba kasi yung kwento na itong mga Samaritan? I mean, the woman was saying, there's just too much barriers between the two of us. Una, lalaki ka. They don't talk to opposite sex that much, lalo na kung hindi close. Pangalawa, you're a Jew. I am a Samaritan. But then Jesus seeks her out because Luke 19:10, for the Son of Man came to seek and to save the lost. You see, the transformation of this woman begins with God, not with her. Yung pagbabago natin hindi magsisimula sa atin, magsisimula sa Diyos. Kung may gusto kang baguhin, kung may gusto kang kalimutang nakaraan, ang simula niyan hindi sa'yo, but with God.